Good morning, peace and prosperity to all of us. Professionally, thank you for Professor Dwi Suhartanto for giving me time to able to submit my final project report. Introduce myself. My name is Andari Nurrohma with NIM 205264036. On this occasion, I will present the final project seminar proposal regarding explaining customer behavior of zero waste product on purchase intention using circular economy theory and ration action theory. On this occasion, there are several discussions that we will discuss. Number one, industrial problem. Two, literature review. Three, research methodology. And the last, output and publication. Okay, let's get into the first discussion, which is about the industrial problem that this research is based on. In recent years, the problem of waste has gained serious attention with the garbage posing an increasing threat to human and other living creatures' survival. Data from the Ministry of the Environmental and Forestry National Trash Management Information System indicate that 35.92 million tons of trash were generated in Indonesia 2022, the second largest composition of the garbage, according to UNRUL 2023, is plastic waste. The Bandung City Statistics Agency report that in 2022, the city produced 1,594.18 tons of garbage per day and 266.23 tons of this kind of the plastic garbage were produced each day. Recycle is therefore a key company of any solution to the solid waste pollution issue. Implementation, recycle development is the premise behind the zero waste concept. Consequently, it is the necessary to spread awareness about the implementation of zero waste lifestyle in home or community. Okay, this is a green product are made with the last amount of negative environmental effect over their whole life cycle, while the zero waste product are the result of applying this idea of zero waste. The Indonesian Zero Waste Alliance 2021 report that 91% of the participants said they had utility yet. This still the level of the ask intensity fall into the uncommon range for business production. The lowest product getting customer to buy more is the challenge. This is the figure. Several recent customer buy environmental friendly product, namely 60.5% because they are want to perceive the earth. Conversely, 51.1% they enjoy and find using them to be satisfying. Up to 20.4 of respondents cite the company or brand sustainability product line. It is also implemented based on the figure that green brand knowledge and green perceived value play a part. Furthermore, to the related to understanding how customer make contextual decision. Therefore, the use of the theory of ration action is sustainable further in complementing this research. Comprehensive understanding of the variable influencing the establishment of the zero waste product by intention is required. In Indonesia, customers are not likely to the utility environmental friendly item as they are in other country. Despite the fact that many local brands have this credential, therefore, in the order to the support, encourage, and adoption and implementation of the zero waste product practice in Indonesia, it is vital to ask what factor influences customer perception of green product, such as their zero waste lifestyle, green perceived value, green brand knowledge, their attitude, and their subjective norm around the zero waste product. Okay, this is the literature review. Circular economy theory is an economy system that begins with the process of produce and use. The idea of the end of life is replaced by the application of the concept of reuse, reuse, and the recycle. The circular economy have a relationship with the zero waste lifestyle because using the three R concept reuse, and recycle, zero waste lifestyle is linked to the idea of the green life cycle and lifestyle and the sustainable economy model or circular economy. And next, green perceived value is customer deadline to make certified in the exchange for the full evaluation of the total environmental advantage is now as a green perceived value. Okay, this is the Raytheon action theory. In this theory, there are several variables. Number one is attitude. Attitude toward the action is defined as the degree to which an individual has favorable and unfavorable assessment of the behavior in question. And subjective norm can be either good or negative and are defined as the expectation, belief, pressure, and influencing the refined from the one social environment. Next, green brand knowledge provide information about brand attribute and their advantage for the customer and environmental. And then forecast intention as the greatest advocate of the certain conduct, intention, service, and the physical representation of one preparedness to carry out the behavior. Okay, this is the research model. According to previous research, zero waste lifestyle have a positive effect to forecast intention, and next green perceived value have the positive effect to forecast intention, and green knowledge have positive effect on forecast intention, and the last attitude and subjective norm have positive effect forecast intention. The result of the discussion from the literature review also as circular economy, then ration action theory is additional adding green perceived value, green brand knowledge, variable adoption from the research variable conduction by Puspita Novitasari 2022, Febianti and Aulia 2021, Pratiwi et al. 2021. Okay, this is the research method. For the data collection, in this research method is Google Form and in-depth interview, because the research design is the mixed method. For the population, to the study sample customer and open the zero waste concept because they are aware of the zero waste concept adoption, zero waste product. For the sample, quantitative method 400 respondents and qualitative method 6 respondents. For the sampling technique, combine a sort of purposive sampling with a non-probability sampling technique. And the next about the data analyze have three steps. The number one, descriptive analysis. Through descriptive analysis, they can accurately describe and summary the data. And the same or structural equation model is measurement model and structural model are two steps in the analysis process. The assessment of the research indicator validity and reliability, a structural model evaluation. For the last qualitative analysis, following the completion of the qualitative data, the research will speak with a user and interview. Okay, next and the last about outcome and publish. Based on the result of the hypothesis analysis, the study recommendation will be give to business that product zero waste and environmental friendly product. This recommendation will take the form of a social media campaign that can be implemented by a business with a key message being impacted. This is the social media campaign. The title of campaign is Small Steps, Big Impact. Zero Waste Lifestyle with Bumi Ijo. Goals. The campaign is by presenting Bumi Ijo as an environmental responsible and sustainable option. We hope to inspire customers to embrace a zero waste lifestyle. For the content in this campaign is zero waste lifestyle, green perceived value, green knowledge, attitude, and subjective norm. The last publication, the journal plan will be published in international journal or at least Syntat 3 or other journal that focus on the field of marketing. Therefore, the journal must meet the requirement by ensuring that the paper to be submitted meet the requirement and writing criteria such as article structural, citation style, and other writing guidelines set by the selection journal publication. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.